Hey all, what if you could combine every AI model like Gemini, Runway, Imagen, and many more into one creative workspace? So meet Weavy.ai, your node-based creative playground to build visuals, videos, and workflow all at one place. And the best part, you start with 150 free credits to explore everything right away. So first, head over to Weavy.ai and log in using your email ID. It takes just a few seconds, and once you are in, you will see your creative workspace ready to go. So let's say I want to create a product launch poster for a sneaker brand, something cinematic neon lit. On Weavy, I just click new workflow, as you can see. Everything here works through nodes, simple visual blocks that connect your creative ideas. So firstly, I'll drag a text prompt node and type a futuristic sneaker on a glowing racetrack. Then connect it to a model node, that is, I'll pick a Runway Gen 4 for now. And here you go. Within seconds, Weavy generates the output. You can add edit nodes to tweak and refine instantly. You can also check how many credits each operation takes so you always know the cost before you actually run it. You can also go beyond and try video generation, image editing, or chain multiple models in one flow. Everything is drag and drop, super visual and intuitive. And now the interesting part is you can also go back to the main screen and pick from the ready-made workflow templates, perfect for those who wants to get inspired or build faster. So thank you.